What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing the LK-TE9s. I've had these for a while. I put a white out over them so then they can look like actual AirPods. But I'm going to be unboxing them today. I've had them for a while, and they're really good. I got a case for them so then it won't show the button, the actual size of AirPods. So yeah, let's get into it. I gotta find a place to set this up. Thank you. Sorry. I'm gonna have it too. No. So. There we go. Okay, so let's unbox these so I can show you. So that's why they have no wrapping on them or anything. Open it up, and these are the LK-TE9s. Let's take them out. So the actual size of AirPods, the buttons on the front instead of the back, there's no text there. Oops. There's no text there and it uses USB. And they're really good. I'm not gonna take them out right now because they're connected to my phone. But let's go through these. So we got foam. Got the charger. USB, and you got the directions. Yeah. So I'm showing you the Japanese side right now. I don't know why. But yeah. So they pair. This is the thing I want to show you. You probably saw this on Everything Apropos if you watch him or something. You watch him and I. But that's where I got these from. I got them from him. I watched this video. I'm like, oh, these things are cool. And the thing I want to show you about them is that they pair like actual AirPods. But you don't just open the case. You have to take them out and put them next to the phone and pair them. So if you open them, they won't pair. And they also have to be like, you can't have them connected or it's just gonna connect automatically. So if I do this every time, if I want to check like what percent they're at, so I know when I need to charge them, they'll say like low battery, please charge. And they don't have the little thing there. Watch when I turn that on. It's really cool. That's the button. Then that like shows a red thing in there. That means they're charging. But yeah, you have to take them out, and they can't be already like connected to your phone. You have to like forget the device. But I check the battery every time, so I have to forget the device, then do it. But it's really cool. AirPods pair like that, but AirPods you only just have to open the case, and that's how your pair run. But yeah, it's really cool. And when that shows up, when it shows the battery and stuff, it says LK-TE9s. They don't say AirPods. So they're like basically 1-to-1 scales, but like they're not the perfect kind. Like the buttons on the phone, no text on this and the USB. But I like them a lot. So, and now I'm gonna put them in the case so I can show you at the 1-to-1 scales in the box or to the AirPods. They fit into an AirPods case. Look, AirPod. I don't know if you can see it, but that's where the button would be on the AirPods. I can still see it, but like, I still see like the button coloring in the can. But yeah, I really like them. They're really nice. So, just look it up on Amazon or something, and you can probably get them. So, yeah, that's the LK-TE9s. I gotta clean this all up. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If so, hit that like button, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.